Okay, in this video we're gonna vibe code a to-do list in React using the GPT-4 model. So first we're gonna we create a folder. We use all lowercase letters because the React project will need to be lowercase for the GPT-4. So I right click and open with Visual Studio Code, open with code. We're gonna trust this folder. As you can see, the folder has no file in it. So I will use the model GPT-4, and then we're just gonna ask the model to create the application for us. So create a to-do list application in React. That's it. We're gonna ask to do that, and we're gonna see what it does. Okay, first it will create the template React, the React template. As we can see, it's working. No, there's a prompt here. So we're gonna answer the command prompt. And solve it and insert. Yes. There was two questions we had to answer. So it's not 100% automatic, but it built pretty much everything. And here it started the npm run dev, but we don't need the web server now, so we're gonna cancel it because it's waiting for the command prompt to be free again. So now it created a list of things you have to do. Okay, it's working. It already started creating the files. It's creating. Now it's writing the code. I think it even. Will it modify the README? When I tried Grok, it modified the README. It says it's working, but we can see here the code is built. Oh yeah, it modified the README. It's completed. It says it's completed, so we're gonna open it. I'll bring it here. Yeah, I have to run the web server, the npm run dev. Okay, and then we can try it says no to do's yet when there's no. We can check, delete. If we refresh, it doesn't keep the things. So we're gonna ask to add local persistence. Add local persistence to the to-do list application. Okay, so it says it's added. So we're gonna we see the web server is still running, so we're gonna try it. We're gonna refresh. Yeah, it looks it's working. If we refresh, yeah, delete, test tree, refresh, yeah. So that application is with vibe coding took a few minutes and everything is working. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much.